How to make automatizations in Linux Multimedia Music Studio. Here I have this configuration. And automatization like with the panning, for example, may like this. So to do that, right click, edit global automatization. This file is this file. So actually the panel is in the center, so click here. Like this. So you have the automatization look. So select this option or this option to solve the line. Okay, it's really simple. So right click to delete the points. I wanna make automatization with the volume. Right click, edit some global automatization. Down this, down, and click here. So that is the automatization. I have these drums. Look. So I wanna make automatization to a filter to these drums. So first you need to put these sounds in one channel of the mixer. So click, select this option, async to the new effects channel. Click here, async to this channel because I wanna these sounds in the same channel. So in this channel add the effect, in this case equalizer, and basically I wanna this effect. Look. Okay, that is the effect. So to make that, just I need the automatization to this band. So look this, and right click, edit automatization, and this file is this file. So click here and down this. Look, this number is this number. Okay, and this number is this number. So I wanna the frequency like 50, and I put this in 50 like that. Click here to make the line up. and look. But it's so fast, so I wanna make the change like this. No, and you can edit this using this option to solve the lines like that or like this, whatever. So that is the automatizations in Linux Multimedia Music Studio, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, subscribe, like, etc.